Hey Geek, so today I'm transferring some videos from my Panasonic S52X full frame camera over to my computer so I can get some video editing work done. And right now I am recording this with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And well, I just wanted to have a real talk video about what type of work is involved in doing this and about how much time that you might need to spend in this whole process of being a content creator, specifically when it comes to a video content creator. And at least for me, after having done this for more than 10 years, more than 2,000 videos, most of my actual video editing work is fairly simple. If you watch any of my videos or even watch my tutorials, I'm more of a basic to medium video editor. I'm by no means an expert, and at the same time, most of where I put my effort in is to actually creating the content versus editing the content. So my overall video editing production quality, to be honest with you, is very basic. And so at least when it comes to the video editing part, I don't spend as much time. And if you're wondering how much time, typically it's going to be in the 30 minutes or less range, unless I had a much longer video. And a longer video for me is going to be in the 10-minute range. That's a pretty long video for me. And most of my videos are going to be less than 5 minutes, because I basically just have a video where I talk about my ideas or doing a tutorial, and the tutorial videos are normally the ones that go beyond 5 minutes, but for the most part I could get all of that done within 5 minutes. And so video editing time, about 30 minutes. Time to actually create the videos, including reshoots and stuff, probably about 30 minutes. And then if I'm doing like tutorial videos, it could be up to an hour. Okay, typically that's how long it takes me. And then the place where I spend the most time is coming up with ideas, because I really do enjoy creating. And so I spend a lot of time coming up with ideas, kind of like planning out what I want to talk about. And when I talk about planning it out, I'm one of those people where I just like to have bullet points of the main topics that I want to talk about, and then I talk about it. I have tried doing very scripted videos, being very detailed, but that is just not a good fit for me. It's not a natural thing. So a lot of times I just go with my ideas and then I create the videos. And with something like this, it's even more less structured, let's just say that. Whereas at least with my tutorial videos, I kind of have to have it a little bit more structured. And so overall, for the time to me to create my video, edit the video, it's probably going to take me around 2 hours total. Okay, and that's also including maybe time to come up with the idea for that single video. And in terms of upload time stuff, it just varies. A lot of that you really don't have as much control over. If you have good internet, it just takes as long as it takes depending upon your internet speed. But in general, for me, overall, from the time to come up with the idea to actually shoot the video and then to edit the video, it's going to be around a 2-hour mark. And so this might be different for you, and for some people it could take way longer. Maybe their videos are more highly produced, they'll have more complex video editors, or maybe you're somebody like myself who just creates a lot of videos. Whenever I want to create even batches of videos, I might create like multiple videos in that time frame. And so that's kind of where I am in terms of the time that it takes. And overall, I think for most creators out there, if you're putting out like 2 to 3 videos a week, I think it's kind of manageable for most people to be able to do that. Maybe spend, 2 to, for some people, 4, 5 hours per week. And that's, I think, a good amount of time for you to actually create videos and have consistent videos for the long term. So those are just my quick thoughts and explanations of about how much time it takes me to create content here for you to enjoy. And hopefully you got something out of that. And I'm going to go ahead and get back to video editing and get this content ready for you. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.